Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we diving deep into the world of one of the most popular and recognizable dog breeds on the planet, the adorable French Bulldog. You see them everywhere with their bat-like ears, squished faces, and charming personalities. But have you ever stopped to wonder what makes a Frenchie, a Frenchie? What's the science behind their unique look and lovable nature? Well, get ready because we're about to explore the fascinating biology and unique traits of the French Bulldog. First things first, let's talk about that iconic face. The French Bulldog is a brachycephalic breed, which is a fancy term that literally means short-headed. This is due to a genetic trait that results in a shortened skull. Their lower jaw is proportionally normal, but the upper jaw is compressed, giving them that signature pushed-in nose and underbite. This facial structure is a defining feature not just of Frenchies, but also of breeds like Pugs and English Bulldogs. While it's undeniably cute and gives them a very human-like expression, it's also the source of some of their most significant health considerations, which we'll touch on a bit later. Next up, those ears. Officially called bat ears, they are one of the breed's most distinctive features. They are broad at the base, elongated, with a rounded top, and set high on the head. Interestingly, in the early days of the breed, both bat and rose ears were common. Rose ears are folded ears, similar to what you see on an English Bulldog. However, American fanciers of the breed strongly preferred the bat ear, and it eventually became the breed standard we know and love today. This is a perfect example of how human preference can shape the physical traits of a dog breed over time. Now, let's look at their body. Frenchies are small but mighty. They have a compact, muscular build with a heavy bone structure. You'll notice they have a pear-shaped body, being wider at the shoulders and tapering towards the hips. Their front legs are short, stout, and set wide apart, while their back legs are slightly longer, which gives them their unique rolling gait. This build comes from their ancestry, which is believed to include terriers and bulldogs bred down in size. They were originally developed in France as companion dogs, a smaller version of their English Bulldog cousins. And what about that tail? Or rather, the lack of one? French Bulldogs are born with a naturally short, stumpy tail. This is not due to docking or any surgical procedure. It's a genetic trait called a screw tail. The vertebrae in the tail are often fused or malformed, creating a short, corkscrew-like appearance. While it's a standard part of their look, it's important for owners to keep the small pockets underneath the tail clean to prevent skin infections. Let's move on to their coat. Frenchies have a short, smooth, fine coat that is relatively easy to care for. They come in a beautiful variety of colors, including brindle, fawn, white, and cream. You'll also see pied Frenchies, which are predominantly white with patches of brindle or fawn. Less common colors, sometimes called fad colors like blue or merle, are not recognized by most major kennel clubs because they can be associated with certain genetic health problems. A good brushing once a week is usually enough to keep their coat healthy and minimize shedding. Now, let's talk temperament, because this is where Frenchies truly shine. They are known for being affectionate, playful, and absolute clowns. They thrive on human contact and can become little shadows, following their owners from room to room. They are not big barkers, but they are surprisingly good watchdogs, as they will alert you to strangers. French Bulldogs are intelligent and can be a bit stubborn, which is a classic Bulldog trait. This means training requires patience and consistency, but they are very eager to please the people they love. Positive reinforcement works wonders with this breed. They are also known for being incredibly adaptable. A Frenchie is just as happy living in a small city apartment as they are in a large house with a yard, as long as they are with their family. Their exercise needs are moderate. A couple of short walks a day and some indoor playtime are usually sufficient to keep them happy and healthy. In fact, due to their brachycephalic nature, you have to be very careful not to over-exercise them, especially in hot weather. This brings us to a crucial topic, the health considerations related to their biology. That short snout, while cute, leads to brachycephalic obstructive airway syndrome, or BOAS. Their narrow nostrils, elongated soft palate, and narrow trachea can make breathing difficult. This is why you often hear Frenchies snorting, snoring, and grunting. It's also why they are so susceptible to overheating. They can't pant effectively to cool themselves down, so owners must be extremely vigilant in warm climates. Air conditioning is a must for a Frenchie in the summer. Their compact muscular build can also predispose them to spinal issues, particularly intervertebral disc disease, or IVDD. This is why it's recommended to prevent them from jumping on and off high furniture, as this can put a strain on their back. Using ramps or doggy stairs is a great way to protect their spine. Allergies are another common issue in French bulldogs. They can have skin allergies and food allergies, which often manifest as itchy skin, ear infections, and digestive upset. Those adorable facial folds need to be cleaned regularly to prevent moisture from getting trapped, which can lead to skin fold dermatitis, a type of yeast or bacterial infection. A simple daily wipe with a soft cloth can make all the difference. So why, with all these potential health issues, are French bulldogs one of the most popular breeds in the world? The answer lies in their unparalleled companionship. The bond that people form with their Frenchies is incredibly strong. They are more than just pets. They become integral members of the family. Their goofy antics, loving gazes, and constant desire for cuddles are simply irresistible. They have a way of wiggling their way into your heart and never leaving. Their unique sounds, from little snores to playful snorts, become a comforting soundtrack to the home. They communicate so much with their expressive faces and body language. They are dogs with huge personalities packed into a small, sturdy frame. For the right owner who is prepared for their specific needs, a French bulldog offers a level of devotion and joy that is truly special. They remind us to find fun in the little things, and that sometimes the best part of the day is just curling up on the couch with someone you love. In summary, the French bulldog is a marvel of selective breeding designed to be the ultimate companion. From their bat ears and screw tails to their brachycephalic faces and pear-shaped bodies, every aspect of their biology contributes to the unique dog we know today. While their structure presents real health challenges that any prospective owner must be educated about, their charming, affectionate, and comical nature is what has captured the hearts of millions. They are a testament to the powerful connection between humans and dogs. So, if you're a Frenchie owner, give your little bat pig an extra ear scratch from me. And if you're considering adding one to your family, make sure you do your research and find a responsible breeder who prioritizes health. Thanks so much for watching and learning about the wonderful world of French bulldogs with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into our favorite furry friends. See you in the next one.